How are potatoes grown? Brought to you by Learning Launcher. Potatoes start life as small seed pieces planted in soil. Farmers cut seed potatoes, so each piece has at least one eye. Each eye grows into a sprout that becomes a plant. Soil must be loose and rich so roots can spread easily. Moisture in the soil helps the sprouts grow strong. Sunlight warms the earth to trigger the first shoots. Sprouts push through the soil to reach fresh air. Leaves open wide to catch sunlight for energy. Photosynthesis begins to make food for the plant. Roots grow deeper to find water and minerals. New shoots form underground along special stems. These stems swell to form baby potatoes. Earth is mounded up around the stems for protection. Mounding keeps the potatoes safe from sunlight. Green potatoes taste bitter and can be harmful. Regular watering helps the tubers grow larger. Pests like beetles are checked to protect the crop. Healthy plants need good nutrients like nitrogen. Potassium helps potatoes grow thick and firm. Phosphorus aids in healthy root development. Flowers often bloom on mature potato plants. These flowers can form seeds but are rarely used. Potatoes grow from the swelling underground stems. The plant keeps sending energy down to the tubers. Leaves work hard to make sugars for growth. Warm days and cool nights help big tubers form. Farmers watch for signs of yellowing leaves. Yellow leaves mean the crop is nearly ready. Irrigation is stopped to harden the potato skins. Firm skins help potatoes store well after harvest. Harvesting begins when the soil is dry enough. Machines or hand tools gently dig the potatoes up. Soil is shaken off to keep the tubers clean. Sunlight exposure is avoided to prevent greening. Potatoes are sorted by size after digging. Damaged tubers are removed to prevent rot. Cool storage keeps the potatoes fresh longer. Dark places are chosen to prevent sprouting. Humidity is controlled to keep skins from drying. Potatoes are stored until sent to markets. Seed potatoes are saved for the next season. New fields are chosen to avoid soil diseases. Rotation with other crops keeps the soil healthy. Farmers prepare the land again for the next cycle. Winter frosts rest the soil before spring planting. Springtime triggers a new round of planting. Each season follows the same growth pattern. Potatoes are grown worldwide in many climates. Some varieties grow best in cooler areas. Others are bred for warmer sunny regions. Different types include russet red and yellow. Every type has a slightly different taste. Tubers store energy as starch for the plant. Humans use that starch as a major food source. Potatoes became a staple food across the world. They are eaten boiled, baked, fried, and mashed. French fries and chips come from sliced potatoes. Potatoes are also made into flour and vodka. The crop is highly efficient in calories per acre. Potatoes feed both people and farm animals. Farmers monitor for blights and fungal diseases. Sprays or natural methods protect the plants. Healthy plants produce higher yields each season. Rainfall levels must be carefully balanced. Too much water can rot the tubers. Too little water stunts the growth severely. Soil drainage is improved with raised beds. Cover crops enrich the soil with organic matter. Organic farming uses compost and natural mulch. Conventional farming may use chemical fertilizers. Harvest timing affects the taste and texture. Early harvest gives small, tender potatoes. Late harvest gives large, starchy potatoes. Machines help farmers work large fields faster. Small farms often rely on hand digging instead. Potatoes must be cured after harvest for durability. Curing means storing them warm for a short time. Thickened skins form to prevent bruising. Cured potatoes last longer in cold storage. Light must always be kept away from storage areas. Sprouting can waste stored potatoes quickly. Temperature changes must be avoided in storage. Potatoes are transported carefully to prevent damage. Markets display them in cool, dry sections. Consumers buy them for home cooking or industry. Processing plants turn many into packaged products. Frozen fries and chips come from these factories. Leftover waste is often used as animal feed. Potatoes help sustain economies and farms. Global trade ships them across continents easily. Every growing cycle begins again with seed pieces. Farmers repeat the process year after year. The humble potato continues to feed billions. Thanks for watching Learning Launcher.